Hi. Excuse me. I'm a videographer.
You're a videographer?
Yes. I'm just trying to take footage of you doing whatever you're doing. Is that okay?
Sure.
Okay.
I'm just taking the ice off, so yes.
Okay.
Just act natural.
Yeah. I like that. Take that. Take that.